Hello guys, welcome back to another airbrush video. Don't mind my big pimple that I have there. Okay, so I kind of have in mind what color should I use. So I'm going to start off with my vanilla, and I'm going to put that in my brow bone, or as you guys know, highlight bone. Getting the golden olive, 2 drops. I'm going to do that color in between my transitional color and my brow bone. And I'm going to do this more intensify. So I'm just going to cover up a bit, not too much. So I'll be taking 3 drops of Harvest Pumpkin, and I'm going to locate that in my transitional color. Something's wrong with my voice. Bringing the color all the way into my inner eyes, or contouring around my eyelid. Damn, 3 drops go a long way. Like, dura bastante. So I'm going to be taking 2 drops of Date Night into my whole lid and a little bit above my eyelid. Since I do have hoodie eyes, and that means that my lids just like fall. I don't know. I can't explain, but you guys might want to Google it. Okay, taking 3 drops of black, I am going to do freehand. And yes, I did mess up. Why? Because I have not been practicing. But it's okay. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to cut it off or edit. I'm going to leave it as is. And as you can see, I'm just going to take a cotton swab and slightly clean it out. Nothing happens. Just keep on going. Nada pasa. So as you guys can see on my right hand side, I did manage. My voice is going. My son's over here looking at me crazy. Okay, I am going to take the stencil and then bring it out towards the outer V. Same thing to the other side. You want to just kind of slightly hit it inwards, and then I don't know, like just spray towards the bottom, and it's gonna bounce back into your eyeshadow. Practicing makes a difference. And I am gonna use my stencil just to intensify the inner of my eyeshadow, but as you can see, nothing happens, and I did not edit out anything or cut off, just so you could give yourself an idea. Doing my bottom eyeliner. Taking my Bisou waterproof eyeliner, which I love. Taking my stencil again, and then just connecting between my upper and lower lash line. So this is what I like to call a mimic wing eyeliner. Taking that same black, I'm going to be adding 3 drops of dark brown. Whatever I do to one brow, I do to the other. That was to shade in the whole stencil. It wouldn't go with my face. Like the shape of the eyebrows are way different. The ending part of my brows, I like to make them more intensify, more darker. Using a disposable applicator and with some Airbrush cleaner, I like to clean out my brows, and also as with the cotton swab. Prepping my lashes. And for my foundation, I'll be using 7 drops of vanilla and 4 drops of golden olive. Now, I say this in all my videos, I do not like a full coverage foundation. I like my pecas to sneak through. It's very important to cover up your eyebrows and your foundation or your wing eyeliner when airbrushing your foundation on. Bronzing up my cheeks with 2 drops of dark almond. For my highlight, I'm going to be using 1 drop of rose gold. I've noticed I have not been using blush, and that's because it just makes a great combination, mixing in the dark almond with the rose gold. Now popping in my eyelashes, and here's a trick. Whatever was left from my highlight, I did it in the inner corner, but obviously it covers up the black, but it's okay. I'm just going to use a regular eyeliner and just do the inner corner. Now my T-zone is very greasy, so I am gonna just press in some powder for my T-zone only. You can never go wrong with nude lips, and I am retouching up my waterline just to intensify it. Cleaning up the overspray around my hairline. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye now.